Hello everyone, my name is Bartu and I'm part of the Rodeo.io team, the most user-friendly project management platform for creative agencies. In this video, I'll explain everything about the dashboard. When you log into Rodeo, the first screen you see is the dashboard. Here, we see four different columns. First one is a time column. You can see here the time that you've tracked from 2 weeks ago, last week, and this week. The goal is to fill up all your scheduled hours. You can also easily track time from the dashboard. You either start a timer through the clock button or create a time card through the plus button. In the second column, you'll see all the tasks that have been assigned to you. You can immediately track time on the task and check off that task when it's finished. When you click on that task, it'll take you immediately to the task overview. In the third column, you'll see all the projects that you're part of. The colored line below is a progress bar. That way, you have a rough idea of how far the project is financially. The last column shows the overdue invoices. When you've sent a sales invoice to a client and the payment term has expired, it'll appear in this column. Here, you have the option to send a reminder by clicking on the red envelope icon. When the invoice has been paid, you can mark the invoice as paid, click on the invoice, and then the green thumb, and indicate the payment date. Thank you for your time. We know that time is important to you. That's why we want you to save more time with your administration by using Rodeo.io. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them through our chat button.